This is a short video on the 2005 BMW 325i, and we're going to show you the location of the OBD2 code reader connection. It's a little different in most all cars, but in the BMW 325i, the code reader connection is just on the left side of the steering column, right by the quarter panel, and you just open that up, put your code reader in. I might have to do it twice here. And always connect that code reader with the power off. Do not connect the code reader with the engine running. Do not do that. Alright, so I've got the OBD2 hooked up inside the BMW 325i. We're going to start it up. So I'm starting up the BMW just so you can see there is a check engine light and practice using the code reader. So be sure to hook it up with the car off. Alright, you can see it's got the service engine soon light on. It's ready. We just need to hit enter to scan. Remember, when the engine is on, you can look at the codes, but you cannot delete the codes. Codes found 1. So let's go to that. Read codes. System 2 lean, bank 1, and it says 1 of 2. So we'll scroll. System 2 lean, bank 1, so it's giving us the code twice. Again, this is practice. With the engine running, I cannot delete any codes. I'm going to erase the codes. You sure? Well, yeah, we want to erase that code. Erase done. Press any key to continue. Erase done. Press any key to continue. Let's see if we still got the codes. It says we still got the codes. So it's still got the code. We're going to try to turn the engine off. And just back to the on position. Or the run position. And then we'll try to erase those codes. Erase trouble codes? You betcha. It says erase is done. Read the codes. No codes. Alright. So we're just going to double check the erase codes. Erase the codes, you betcha. Erase done. Alright. So we'll go to the read codes again just to have it ready. No codes found. So let's go ahead and start it up. And looky there. All clear. So it had 2 codes, and just to be sure, I read the codes, and then I went to erase codes. See, it's still clear of those. And I went to erase codes, and it had 2 codes in it, or it said it did. So I went ahead and turned the car off and back to the on position, and then it's okay to erase the codes. I'm going to go back here and make sure we don't have any trouble codes. Nope. So we're good to go. I'm going to start it back up. and it looks good. BMW 325i. I've shown you the location of the plug-in for the code reader and how to clear the code for the check engine light. I'm Chris with Atlantic Drain, reminding you it's easy once you know how. Always be sure power is off before you connect or disconnect the OBD2 code reader.
Protruding rock, glacier remains.